Mag-ano kami guys. Ano ihaw ng isda? Fish tuna. Lagyan ko ng ano, citron grass. Ayan. Big fish. Oh, fish guys, fish. Ayan. It's a fish. Tuna. Grilling the fish guys. And outdoor. So Thomas make the fire. Thank you for watching. It's the big grill. This one, like this here. And fish. Fish. Fresh from the market. So delicious. Today is fiesta. And today the sky is a lot of stars. The sky is clear tonight and I can see a lot of stars. And we was in the other place today, and we went to the market, fish market. I bought a lot of seafood, but my seafood is in the reef. We're gonna eat tomorrow some other seafoods like quids and shrimp. Oh, I was in the city market. Now we're gonna grill. Thank you for watching. Thank you.